Hi, this is Ravi Gattani from RNG Exports. RNG Exports is an engineering company engaged in making ferrous and non-ferrous castings. We deal with a lot of European companies like ABB, Siemens. Before Lean, when we had audits from these companies, we had to follow up with our team members so that they give good impression to the auditees from these European countries. But after the implementation of the Lean, self-motivation is there and the team is more prepared, more confident when they deal or when they approach these auditors who come from the European countries. We also found that because of these self-motivation, our pattern retrieval time has gone down by 50%. We have also found that we have less scrap lying at wrong places, which resulted into more than 900 square feet of space for better utilization than storing scrap. So these are the benefits that we find. Thank you.